Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we'll be looking at how to build an earphone sorter out of Lego. So basically when you put your earphones away, they usually get tangled and they're just an absolute pain to get untangled. So this basically solves the problem with Lego, so it's easy and cheap to do. So all you're going to need is 3 2x4s and 6 2x1s. So to get started, you need to take 2 of your 1x2s, place them like this, and then add a 2x4 on top of that, which basically creates an N shape like this. Now what you want to do is do the same thing but another layer up, so like that, and I'm using just different colours just so it's easier for you guys to see, but of course use any you want. Now you want to do the same by adding 2 2x1s again onto the outer edge, and finally finishing off with one of these. That's all you have to do. So to wrap your earphones, I've got some here. You want to thread your jack through the bottom hole, like that. And then you want to grab the long length with the earbuds attached to the end and just start wrapping it around with the top removed. Nearly forgot that. But yeah, just wrap it around. I'll do this off camera just so it's easier for me. And once you have that done, your earphones should be wrapped around and just hanging out the bottom a little. Now what you want to do is add the white bit, or any colour, that you took off the top, place it back on, and that's really it. All done. It now can't get untangled because the actual earbud bits can't fit back through the hole because the block on top is stopping it, and the jack is just wrapped around, so it's not going to go anywhere. So this is great if you're just travelling, whatever, shoving it in your pocket. It's really easy, not time consuming, and that's it. If you did enjoy it and it helped you loads, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff, you know what to do.